Students, we were doing chapter 2 polynomials. In our last class we have started factorization type 1 questions. Today we will start from type 2 questions, that is splitting the middle term. Okay, we will do factorization in which the questions will be based on splitting the middle term. Okay, splitting the middle term. You have done such questions in class 8th also, chapter factorization. Okay, let's start, students. See question 88, what it is. Your question 88 is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Students, don't write anything, just see here what I am doing. What does that means, the topic? What does it mean? Splitting the middle term. Means you have to split the middle term and the first and third term will remain same. Okay, the first and the third term will remain same. So what we will do, students, we will keep the first and the third term same. Now how we will split the middle term? See, I am explaining you, don't write anything. What we want 3 into 2. We want 6 as the product. Okay, and what is your middle term? It is 7. Okay, and we want 7 as the sum. So students, we have to choose two numbers such that its product is 6 and its sum is 7. Okay, what I am saying here, you have to see the constant and the coefficient of x square. It is multiplying. We are getting 6 and the middle term is 7. So what we want? We want such two numbers whose product is 6 and its sum is 7. So what we can take? Tell me, students. 6 ones are 6 and the sum is 7. You will say, ma'am, we can take 3 twos are, but 3 twos are will be 6, but its sum will be 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so we have to choose such numbers so that both the conditions are fulfilled. So we are taking 6 and 1, 6 ones are 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. So how we will split this? See, students, we will split it as 6x plus 1x, or we can write only x. Okay, 1x can be written only x. So this was your first step. Now what we will do? Okay, find out the common between first two terms. Like we have done factorization in our type 1 question, students. Now it is same. What is common in the first two terms? It is 2x. What will be left here? X plus 3. Now plus, what is common in the third, fourth term? Nothing. So we will take one common. What it will be? X plus 3. Now we will write these terms together and the rest together. This is your final answer. That's it. Is it clear, students? You have done it in 8th class, but I have explained you again. Okay, note it down. Question 88, students. Students, let's move on to question 89. See question 89, what it is? 6x square plus 5x minus 6. What will you get? 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Here you also have to see the sign, students. Again we will write the first and the third term as it is and split the middle term. Now what we want? Product 6 into 6. But here it is minus 6. So what we will take? Minus 6 into 6 minus 36. Okay, and here it is plus 5. So we want the product as minus 36 and sum as plus 5. What we can take? Two numbers whose product is minus 36 and sum is plus 5. What I can take? 9 fours are 36, but I want negative sign, so I can take negative here. minus 5. We want the sum as plus 5. Okay. What you can do, either put negative sign in this or negative sign in this or negative sign in both the numbers. Okay. There are 3 cases possible. Keep it and check in the rough what are you getting. Okay. So here if we are keeping it in minus 4, it's correct. This is wrong. So what we will do, students, we will keep plus 9x minus 4x. Okay, plus 9x minus 4x. So what we will get, tell me, what we will take common from first two terms, 3x. What we will get, 2x. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 2x plus 3. From these two terms we can take 2 common. I am taking minus 2 common. Students, if we take a negative sign common, then the sign of both the terms changes. Since they are negative, they will become positive. If it would have been positive, it would become negative. So what it will be? 2 2s are 4. So 2x. It will become positive and this also plus 3. Is it clear, students? Now again we have got these brackets same. So we will write it once. 2x plus 3. And we will write the remaining ones once. 3x minus 2. This is your final answer. Okay, so this one is of type of negative number. Okay, students. Now question 90, 91, these all will be your homework. 92, they all are same. See, students, question. This is for your practice, students. Do it and check. You will able to do it by your own. Check if the product and sum is coming correct or not along with the sign. Okay, and you should get these two brackets same. If you are not getting these same, that means you have done somewhere mistake. Question 90, we will discuss the answers in the live class. Question 91 and 92, they are same as these questions. Okay, question 93, I am making it for you, students. See, it is 3x square minus x minus 4. So what I want the product as, students? Minus 4 into 3 minus 12. I want product as minus 12. What I want sum as minus 1. Okay, you have to take the sign also. I am repeating again. I will write the first and third terms as it is. Okay, and I will split the middle term. Now, I can take 4 3s are 12. Okay, students. Now, I want negative sign in both the cases. So, I will try. If I put a negative sign here, what it will become? Minus 4 into 3 minus 12. It is satisfied. Minus 4 plus 3. What will I get? Minus 1. It is also satisfied. Okay, I am again telling you there are 3 cases possible. Either put a negative sign in the first number, or put the negative sign in the second number, or put the negative sign in both the numbers. Okay, I am repeating, any 3 steps would give you the required answer. Okay, so now I am getting minus 4 and 3. So what will you write? Minus 4x plus 3x. Now what will be common in both these terms? Only x. So what will be left? 3x minus 4. In these two terms there is nothing common, so I am taking plus 1 as common. So it will be 3x minus 4. This is your common bracket. Write it once. And the ones that are left, write it once. This is your answer. This is very easy type, students. The questions are given only for your practice. So from 94 to 97 also it's your homework. From question 94 to question 97. Okay, this will be your homework, students. We will discuss it in the live class. These all questions are based on the middle term split. Okay, note it down and we will discuss the answers in our live class.